In this video lesson, I wanted to show you how to log into your account after you have registered with the Blueberry Markets as a trading broker or any other broker, and after that you can receive after you have also registered your live account, you have received your login details. In this case, I have received my username, which is a trading account, and I have received my password and also I have received the server I need to connect to. Go to your email address. This is my email account, and you can see that I have received my live account, which is ready to fund, because if you would like to trade, you need to also to make a deposit, but that will be in the next video lesson. First of all, in this case, you can also download the trading platform if you do not have any. I already have a trading platform. You can see that here. I already have trading on the live account, so it's ready. And below that, you can see my login number, my login password, and the server. So these are the details that needs to be saved. So you should not share this with anyone, because if someone has this login number, login password, and server, it's easy for him to log in just using MT4 and then entering these account details. Now take these account details. For example, I will use these details and go to the trading platform. Then click here Navigator if you do not already have this Navigator window open, because inside the Navigator you have all the accounts located. So first of all, I have already a live account, so I will add more of these. Simply go here to the Blueberry Markets, click on it, so it is blue selected, then the right mouse button and log into trade account. Then inside here, login details, put these login details that you have received over your email. So I will select all of these and put them inside these fields. One thing to pay attention to is this one, server. Always select the server that you have received from your broker when you have open trading account. In this case, I have received Blueberry Markets Live, because you can see inside an email address. Take a look here. Inside email I have received for this trading account, they have said to connect to Blueberry Markets Live 2 server. So in this case, inside here MT4 platform, you can see inside drop-down menu, you have 4 of them. 2 of them are demo and 2 of them are live. So I need to connect to the live. Click the login details, login button, sorry. And click here the terminal, so you have opened this window below that, and you can see I have connected successfully, because here in the bottom right corner every connection status is green, so everything is okay, and I have received a new messages from my broker. So he's welcoming me to the Blueberry Markets, saying thank you for opening your account, so on. So this account is ready for deposit, because current the balance is $0, so I cannot make any trades because we don't have money to trade. So first of all, as a next step, after you have registered and also connected to your trading account, you need to make the deposit. So in the next video lesson, I will show you how to make the deposit to this live account. So when you do that, immediately the balance here inside trading platform, it will be updated with the amount that you have on your trading account. Now let's move to the next step, but remember that if you have any questions related to this, how to connect and open a trading account, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. That's all for now. See you in the next lesson. Happy trading!